Turn the camera to your face and say hi.
Welcome to our channel.
A few moments later.
Sorry guys, today we're in the little town of Bingen. Hi everyone and welcome back to Ming TV, and if it's your first time here, please feel free to check out the rest of the channel, and if you find anything of interest, please consider subscribing and click that little bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload my new videos. So today I will be taking you on an extremely short tour through the city of Bingen. Now some quick details. Bingen is a town located in the Bingen district of Germany. The settlement original name was Bingen, a Celtic word that may have meant hole in the rock, a description of the shoal Mousetourm known as the Bingen Rock. Bingen was a starting point for the Roman military, a road that linked with the town Rhein. It was also the birthplace of Saint Hildegard von Bingen, an important polymath, abbess, mystic, and musician. One of the most influential and medieval composers, and one of the earliest Western composers whose music is widely presented and performed. Bingen am Rhein was also the birthplace of the celebrated poet Stefan George, along with many other influential figures. Even before the Romans came, people live here because of its location, being at the confluence of the Nahe and the Rhine River. Here is where it gets a bit more interesting for me personally. Bingen is well known among other things. The story about the Mousetower, in which allegedly the Bishop of Mainz, Otto, was eaten by mice. From the Archbishop, the Cathedral of Mainz acquired the town in two halves, in 1424 and 1438. Until the late 18th century, Bingen remained under its administration. Unlike many other villages, Bingen suffered severe town fires and war.